What's going on, everybody?
What is the difference between vibrance and saturation? Now, perhaps you have seen a slider depicting this option in either Premiere Pro or Lightroom or other various products. Well, vibrance and saturation both affect color. Vibrance and adjusting the vibrance of, when you slide it up, pertains to color. Amplitude of the color. Listen. The intensity of the color that you are seeing. Saturation, when you crank that up, will intensify all colors within your image or video or whatever media content, whereas vibrance will only affect the midtones. What are midtones? Well, it's like the middle of stuff, okay? Like, hear me out. Midtones are the affected range in the not shadows and not highlights range. Not shadows, not highlights. Shadows look like this. Dark. Light. So basically, the midtones are the affected range in the middle area of brightness or exposure. Vibrance will hit your midtones. And just to cover our bases here, vibrance is often referred to as smart saturation. According to Digital Photography School, I've literally never ever heard that. Smart saturation because it selectively affects the color's intensity. It's more selective, so it's smart. Selectivity equals intelligence. Vibrance boosts colors that are more muted. Midtones, baby, midtones, and mostly ignores warmer colors. No, it doesn't ignore warmer colors, it is just more often that a warmer color is not existing in the midtones. Prioritizing cooler colors. I'm pretty sure that the method of differentiation that the Adobe products at least are using are not favoring cool tones. I'm gonna have to run that experiment now. Thank you, photography school, digital photography school, yes. Thank you. That aside, and I'm sure I'll run that now, and we'll all get to witness that in post. Anyways, there you have it. That's the difference between vibrance and saturation. That is the difference between vibrance and saturation. My name is Linnea Anderson. Thank you so much for tuning in on this highly educational journey to a rather simple question, rather complicatedly answered, but hopefully you get the gist. Thanks. Bye!